Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently Verasity has formed another quite long down channel on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently after getting bounced from the support of the channel, it is now trying to break out this long-term resistance of $0.0035. That was previously breaking as a support here. And now for the past several days, it is breaking at a resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0035 has been previously breaking at a very nice and strong support here. And now again, it is breaking as a resistance. And recently it was also breaking as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SFP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 28th of April, 2024. By the way, this signal I shared in the month of 28th of April, in the last dates of April, but it was still in play. Therefore, it was carried forwarded in the month of May. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line in the month of May started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Verasity. And this is the weekly. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving in between the resistance and support of this quite long down channel. By the way, it is moving inside this channel since after 4th of March 2024, and now recently the price has bounced very well from the support of the channel and trying to break out this long-term resistance of $0.0035 that was previously breaking as support here, and now for the past several days it is breaking as a very strong resistance. By the way, previously on the 7 days time frame chart, this level has been breaking as a very strong support here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this move to the upside, first we will need to break out this resistance, and after that an imminent move can be possible up to the resistance of the channel that will be approximately at $0.0089 or $90. And if the price then breaks out this long-term channel, in that situation, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.5 cents. But in my opinion, after breaking out this channel, it can also try to break out this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have broken out different patterns. Like first it broke out this falling wedge pattern, then we had a very nice pump that was, by the way, almost 434% pump, and you can see that since then it was turning parabolic bullish, and from this though to here it was almost 655%, very massive pump. But recently after the formation of this channel, you can see that it has dropped more down. And now recently we have broken down this very significant support of $0.0035. Now the next significant support will be here at $0.00210. Yes, it is possible that while moving inside this channel, the price then first may test this long-term support, and then it may break out the resistance of the channel. However, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is extremely oversold. And whenever it gets oversold, then you can see that usually price line starts some correction moves. Like when it was entered the oversold zone here, we had a nice rally. And again, it entered the oversold zone here. We had a short correction move to the outside, but this time it was very close to the resistance of the bed. Therefore, it was rejected by the resistance. Then it again entered the oversold zone. Again, we had a nice correction move, but the price line again rejected. And here, when it was into the oversold zone here, then you can see that a correction move was started. But again, it was moving very close to the resistance of the bed, therefore again got rejected. And here, when it again entered the oversold zone, we had a nice rally and broke out this smaller falling wedge pattern as well. And here you can see when again it entered the oversold zone, we had a nice move to the upside. And even we broke out this smaller falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, again, there is a probability that this time it may start another correction move to the upside. And during that move, it may try to break out this channel as well. And after the breakout, I'm expecting that it can try to break out this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. But if it's still a very, very huge move due, and that is a target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, and that long-term technical target can be here at the top of the wedge that can be between somewhere 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.